Hi there. I'm going to be doing jelly printing today, and here are some of my favourite stamps. I usually use stencils as stamps as well. That's what I usually do. Anyway, so I think I'm going to be working in red and gold and black. And when I say red, I'll make different shades of red. So let's get started. I'm working on a piece of thick card, and these are my favourite stamps. And I've got a few plants here as well from the garden. Yeah, a few ferns and things like that. Okay, let's make a start. Okay, so what I usually start off by doing, I've got this big piece of card, obviously taped to a piece of cardboard or something. And what I usually do is I usually start by doing sort of swatches of colour. This is just as an underlay, swatches of colour. So, as I said, I'm going to be using, so that's gold, and I'm going to put a black in there as well. Probably go over these again. Let's dull that gold down with the black, you see. Right, I'll leave that black there. Now I'll put some red. Let's put some red in there and make a lovely magenta. Not a magenta, sorry, a sort of plum, purple plum. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that. Well, I don't know if you can see that colour. It's gorgeous. Might put the light on, actually. Let's put the light on. And so hopefully you can see the colours better. Oh yeah, I think that's better. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it so much, I'll put some there too. I'll let that be a lighter shade of red, see? Hope you can see that. It's a bit awkward me working like this, I'll be honest. I couldn't get the right camera angle, really. Right. Right, I like that. Let's go lighter there. I'll put some blue in it, and I'll make a purple. See, all these colours I mix. Put a bit of this in. This is ultramarine. Whoops, a daisy. Yeah, lovely. Put a bit of red with that and make it a bit more purple. So it's just a question of putting in some lovely rich colours, and keep in mind that you want to put you're going to put your print on top. So obviously you'll put a darker print on the lighter swatches and a lighter print on the darker swatches. So right, let's make a start. So I'm going to keep the jelly, I'm going to keep that area clear so that I can put the jelly plate on so that you can see what's going on there. Right, I'm going to start in this corner. So obviously you need a dark. If you're going to, you need the dark to go onto the gold. So I'll start with a good old black. Good old black. So I tend not to use the whole Gelli Plate. I don't know why, I just don't. I just do small areas at a time, and that's what makes my Bohemian style jelly prints sort of, well, it makes them what they are. And if I use a bigger area of the Gelli Plate, I just, I will use that design in a couple of different places. So I don't use it all in one place. Look, in this case, I've used quite more than half of the Gelli Plate. And I'll just put that in a little bit here and a little bit there. And the idea is to build up the design on top of a really rich, beautiful, beautiful base. I sell a lot of these paintings and they look really lovely and beautiful and rich, like a tapestry. When you frame them and they're underneath glass, they look really rich and beautiful. Right, okay, so I've just got a few pens here. I'll just try some. Let's try that one. Let's try it on a dark. Oops. Just some random marks. That's not doing very well. This is. Just some random little messages in the gold. Some little flowers and things. It's not really showing up very well. This blue was showing up really well, wasn't it? So there we are. That's the painting complete. That will look lovely when it's in a frame and with glass on it as well. And there's some lovely colours in there that I like. I like that burgundy, and I like the pink, shock of pink, and of course the golds and the blacks, and even the lilac is nice. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed that video, and hope you subscribe to the channel. That would be lovely. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.